National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a flash flood warning for southern Crosby County in northwestern Texas, southern Dickens County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Garza County in northwestern Texas, northwestern Kent County in northwestern Texas, until 9:45 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Carlsbad, Spur, White River Lake, Calgary, Girard and Caprock. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.